What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video, we're going to be doing a crypto market update and some major crypto news over the past 24 hours. We do have some big FUD about India once again banning cryptocurrencies, as well as a DNS attack on the PancakeSwap I will be going over, and then some other major news as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so we are seeing a temporary dip in the crypto markets. Bitcoin down 6% after hitting its all-time highs of $61,000, now back to $56,000. Ethereum's holding up a little bit better, and I do believe that's because a layer 2 solution is coming for Ethereum. We should be getting Uniswap version 3 by the end of March as well. So I do believe this is just a temporary dip, and we're going to be on the move upwards towards the end of March. So as you guys can see, everything is pretty much in the red here, a few percent, not that big of a dip. I will take this opportunity though to pick up some more Ethereum and Litecoin here out of the top 10. Litecoin is actually down around 7%. So even with the market volatility and the markets moving sideways, I have picked up 2 to 3x on a few different altcoins in just the past few days alone. And like I've been saying, with the launch of Uniswap version 3 that's coming, I do think a lot of small cap hidden gems are going to go parabolic because it will reduce the gas fees and open the door to the masses buying into a lot of these smaller cap hidden gems that are undervalued and very bullish with big things coming. So I have picked up a few of these. Keep in mind, these are much higher risk, but at the same time, they also move up the easiest as well because it doesn't take a lot of money to move the market cap since they're such small cap hidden gems. So I did mention a couple in yesterday's video. Those are up 2x basically, along with a lot of other small cap hidden gems just going parabolic. But I think the real altcoin season will be after the launch of Uniswap version 3. Those coins that are undervalued right now, that have major events coming up and a lot of hype around them, they're really going to go parabolic in my opinion. So those are really the coins I'm looking at right now. But out of the top 10, I'm still very bullish for end of March for Ethereum and Litecoin. ADA, like I've been saying, will probably go parabolic on any random announcement of something huge like a big partnership. Once we start leading into the next major updates for the Goguen mainnet, I do think the price will be on a steady rise again as well. So ADA holding above $1 is great, especially because this was only 5 cents at the beginning of summer 2020, which is where I got in majority of my holdings. So I'm just staking ADA long term because I know the huge potential here. I still think ADA is going to be one of the highest return on investments out of the top 10. But of course, I also look for short-term profits where I could flip coins for some quick profit as well. All right, guys, so a quick reminder, my crypto giveaway, $25,000 of crypto prizes is coming to an end, about 2 weeks left. 25 winners of $1,000 of crypto each. Very easy to enter here. You can get daily entries to increase your odds of winning. And if you're supporting the channel anyways, you might as well participate in this for a chance to get some extra crypto. All right, guys, so as I did mention, PancakeSwap did get DNS hijacked, which is horrible. A lot of people had their crypto stolen out of their wallets. So the main takeaway here is to never ever input your seed phrase or private keys on a website. No matter what website you think, no matter what swap website or anything, never give anyone your secret seed phrase or private keys because that gives them instant access to your wallet where they can instantly swipe all your cryptocurrency. There's no layer 2 security for this type of stuff. This is why I do recommend that some newer people use a trusted exchange or platform like BlockFi. BlockFi does allow you to earn interest on your crypto as well, putting your crypto to work. And there's multiple layers of security for those that are skeptical about holding their own crypto in their own private wallet. I hear about this stuff happening every single day. Someone in the private groups just said they lost around $70,000 from their MetaMask wallet. So we have to be very careful, especially with these private wallets where you enter your seed phrase. You can also get viruses on your computer. There's also other ways. There's even text message hacks where they pretend to send you a text message on a delivery update from UPS or something, and you click the link and it ends up downloading a phishing software that ends up swiping all your crypto. So lots of different things out there. You have to be very careful, especially using your own wallet, because basically you are your own bank, and basically if someone gets your seed phrase, then it's over for you. So I do recommend spreading your crypto out as well. just in case something does happen like this, you don't have all of your eggs in one basket. Alright guys, so more bad news today. Bitcoin retreats from record high amid report of Indian crypto ban. So we hear about India trying to ban cryptocurrencies at least 3 times per year. They seem to go back and forth between this, and it does seem to cause a small market dip every time this news comes out. Any country that tries to fight cryptocurrency though is only going to be hurting themselves in the long term. So news of India proposing this cryptocurrency ban is everywhere today with this temporary market dip. Also, they're going to be penalizing miners and traders, which is just ridiculous. Even stating that just holding cryptocurrencies living in India, you will be fined. So India will propose a law banning cryptocurrencies, fining anyone trading in the country or even holding such digital assets. Just ridiculous in my opinion. They're only shooting themselves in the foot by doing this, cutting themselves off from a massive revenue source and source of taxes as well. Any country that tries to fight cryptocurrency is just bringing more attention to cryptocurrencies, and in the long run, they're going to be left behind. So I do believe eventually India will get back and lift this ban once again. We get word of this type of stuff a few times a year from India. So China is also another country that has done this a few times. I don't think the US will ever try to ban cryptocurrencies. They just want to regulate it and tax it to get the maximum benefit from it themselves. So more news here. By the dip signal, Ethereum sees surprise gain versus Bitcoin despite Bitcoin drop. The price of Ether saw gains in its Bitcoin pair on Monday as Bitcoin price dropped below $60,000. So we do have some good news with Ethereum. The layer 2 solution that's coming out along with Uniswap version 3 is a major reason why I'm bullish on Ethereum for end of March. Basically, the gas fees have been holding Ethereum back this entire time. I do believe Ethereum would be past $3,000 already if it wasn't for the massive gas fees. So adding this layer 2 solution and working on the gas fee problem is definitely bringing a lot of attention to Ethereum. And I do believe it will be breaking all-time highs by the end of March. So just a couple hours ago, we had Elon Musk tweeting that he's selling a song about NFTs as an NFT, NFTception basically. So crypto user offers $100,000 for Elon Musk's tweet on proposed NFT. So shortly after, we had Beeple reply to this tweet offering him $69 million for this NFT that Elon Musk was proposing. So Beeple just had the highest selling NFT auction, raising $69 million for that art piece that we have been covering the past few days. Just insane how much NFTs are selling for right now. Digital art is booming. Not only that, but you could put music and other things on the blockchain as NFTs now also. So lots of new utility coming out of this. I really like what it's doing for the crypto space, bringing a lot of celebrities and artists and musicians into the crypto space. So another article here, investor stumbles into 30,000% gain after buying Beeple NFT for $969. So for those that were getting these NFTs early before the big NFT craze, these NFTs are worth much more at this point. An investor who purchased an NFT for $969 from popular digital artist Beeple initially hoped to double his investment within 2 years. The NFT is now worth $300,000. Just insane. That is over a 300x on his $1,000 initial investment. So just massive. I'm hearing about a lot of these people spending a few $100 or a few $1,000, and then the NFT is now worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions. So in certain situations, if you do find art from a very popular artist that you know is going to be only growing in the future and everything, that NFT could become worth more over time as well. So obviously some people are making a killing on NFT investments and much more profit than they would have on any cryptocurrency investment right now. Of course, I do think this is in a bubble, as Beeple has stated, and these crazy NFT prices aren't going to last forever. And you do have to be careful with what type of NFTs you're buying, because if there's no reason for people to want to buy it in the future, then the price is not going to go up as well. There has to be increasing demand, and it has to be from an artist or person that is only going to continue growing in the future. So another very interesting article here today. Sophia, the robot set to auction NFT digital artwork. The popular humanoid robot will become the first artificially intelligent being to create non-fungible token-based artworks. This is just going next level at this point. Pretty crazy here. So we fed Andrea's works into Sophia's own neural networks, along with many of Sophia's latest paintings. Subsequently, she generated a powerful series of new images, which she then rendered both digitally and as brushstrokes, which she painted with her own hands. So this is going to be very interesting to see how much this NFT auction goes for. I'm sure it's going to be in the millions, since it's already getting news coverage and everything. It's also scary at the same time. An artificial intelligent robot creating NFTs. Technology is advancing rapidly right now, especially with Elon Musk creating that brain chip that's going to take human intelligence to the next level. All right, guys, so another article to give some insight on Bitcoin dipping 6% today. 3 reasons Bitcoin fell 6% in 4 hours. Is the Bitcoin price rally at risk? I do think this is just temporary. We're going to be moving upwards towards the end of March with everything major happening. But of course, like I always say, temporary dips are always going to happen. There's major manipulation in the markets. We have to consider leverage trading and margin trading as well. There's a lot of people and whales that manipulate these markets to make billions of dollars. Over $1 billion just got liquidated with this 6% dip as well, because so many people were so bullish and longing the markets. So we got new weekly candle and a reset pullback. When a new weekly candle opens, Bitcoin typically sees large volatility because the trend on Monday could dictate how Bitcoin performs throughout the rest of the week. So Bitcoin has pulled back towards the red area and even overextending below it for now. The day is still young, so price could still resolve itself relative to this red boxed area and turn it into support. Technically, Bitcoin is in the process of a volatile retest. Futures markets was very overheated, like I just stated. So many people were longing the markets, expecting Bitcoin to keep rising, so they had big longs open. Over $1 billion got liquidated with this small dip. So when the price of Bitcoin began to drop, the futures market funding rate of Bitcoin was hovering above 0.1% across major exchanges. This indicates that the overwhelming majority of the market was longing or buying Bitcoin, making it an overcrowded trade. So lastly, we also had a large exchange deposit and stablecoin inflow. Lots of whales sending a large amount of Bitcoin into exchanges most likely to sell is another sign. So Crypto Quant here is a platform you can use to see this type of analytics and data. So a number of different things here on top of the FUD with India ban, and then that PancakeSwap hack as well. But we didn't really have too big of a dip. I'm not that concerned. I'm very bullish on the crypto markets for end of March still, as I have been saying. Lots of major things happening, a lot of money flowing in. Ethereum layer 2 solution, Uniswap version 3, PayPal crypto merchant payments, as well as the stimulus check as well, which is the biggest one yet. So I'm very bullish in general. I'm mostly focused on altcoins right now, like I did state at the beginning of the video, with Uniswap version 3 coming. So for those of you asking when I'm going to be doing my next trading series update, I will be doing that update tomorrow, which is video 3 of the series. You can find the first 2 videos on my channel as well. We've done huge profits on some altcoins. It's going great so far. And the goal is to do a 10x, turning 1K into 10K by the end of 2021 by swing trading altcoins that are bullish. So I will be doing that update tomorrow. Also, if you guys do want to put your cryptocurrency to work, I recommend BlockFi. It's a great platform. You can get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus by signing up with my link as well, which is just blockfi.com/JRNY. You get that bonus, and then you start earning high interest on your crypto as well. So putting your crypto to work is how the rich get richer. You can get 6.5% here on Litecoin, which is where I'm holding all my Litecoin right now, just to earn some passive income on it while I'm holding and waiting for the value to go up anyways. They pay over 5% on Bitcoin, 8.6% on some stable coins. You can also take out crypto-backed loans through this platform, which I did in the summer, and it saved me over 100 grand not having to sell that crypto and taking a crypto-backed loan out instead. So I do highly recommend BlockFi. There is a link in the video description, along with other useful tools and resources in the video description as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.